Hi friends, welcome back to another Tesla Stock Weekly Analysis. Let's dive straight into the charts. Last week, Tesla showed us a very interesting pattern. Can you guess what it is? By now, just by looking at this, you should know how to read the Tesla chart. This is simply a wedge in. If you look previously, wedging gap up, wedging gap up, wedging gap up. This is the fastest wedge in gap up I've ever seen. This took 1 week. Sometimes it takes about 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes it takes about 2 to 3 weeks. Sometimes 2 weeks. But this is the fastest wedge in and gap up. So now Tesla stock price has maintained around $1,500 until earnings. I foresee if Tesla miss earnings, stock price may gap down to the first level at about here. And if the dive continues on, the lowest it will ever go is to the 1,000 level. This is a very slight chance. But if Tesla posts a positive quarter, I foresee stock moving quite high up around this region here. For those who are new to investing, you need to know I've seen companies post good quarters and have the stock price drop. So a positive quarter, it is not a sure win. If you ask me what's my opinion and what's going to happen, Tesla rolling out the short before Q2 earnings and seeing like Elon Musk light-heartedness on Twitter, I foresee a positive quarter. Stock price will surge. However, big market manipulators, like they are somehow related to oil, will kind of try to push the stock price down during post-market trading because it is easy, low volume. But I do not think they can overcome the bullish market on the overall. Due to Tesla's trading volume and the lack of outstanding shares, it is highly likely that the stock price will surge in anticipation for the S&P 500 inclusion. And at the end of the video, I will conclude how I'll trade Tesla stock now. But before I move on to the news, I would really appreciate an early thumbs up. Elon tweeted an image of Gigafactory Berlin for the production of Model Y. The entire facility will be covered in solar panels and that the building chimneys will be carefully hidden. It looks really nice. Due to the opening of a Gigafactory in Germany, Tesla aims to hire up to 10,500 workers for the German factory. So it includes like 3 shifts a day from 3,000 to 3,500 workers. So altogether, 10,500 workers are needed. So applications are open. So Kevin Yang tweeted this, and this ad is basically hiring like delivery experience specialists and product experts in many regions of China. So on top of Tesla hiring in Germany and in China because of the gigafactories there, Greece is also hiring at new job openings. Hint. A few days ago, the company announced recruitment of positions of like sales and delivery manager and a Tesla advisor in Greece. So the people in Greece can look forward to buying cars from Tesla, unlike Singapore. Oh, if I can roll my eyes. You see, companies like Tesla create jobs. I want to point you to an article on Bloomberg, and it's a comment from Singapore's Minister of Water, Environment and Resources, Mr. Mango. So what did Mr. Mango say? What Elon Musk wants is to produce a lifestyle, said Mr. Mango. We are not interested in a lifestyle, we are interested in proper solutions that will address climate problems. Mr. Mango, in a slight chance you are listening, though our main source of energy is gas, it still makes 3 times more sense. Taking into account how gas is sourced, energy lost from mines all the way to the car and the engine efficiency, it is still 3 times better. There are tons of studies by other governments already. So Singapore is one of the best places to set up a Tesla factory, be it Giga or Terra. We have one of the best logistics route in the world, and you create plenty of jobs. You should be like other countries like UK or New Zealand and other states in the US bidding to get Tesla to open a Gigafactory there. If you are not able to see that this is a good thing, you're seriously hopeless. Even my donkey agrees. Okay, the Chinese media confirms that CATL to start supplying Tesla with LFP batteries. So there are 3 main benefits for this Tesla if they switch to CATL's lithium-ion phosphate batteries. So firstly, number 1, CATL don't use cobalt. Then it's direct sell to pack, and it is of course cheaper. Last week, Tesla received 2 price targets from 2 different analysts from different places. So one is from Credit Suisse, so boost to 1,004 from 700, and the other place is at Piper Sandler, so he moved it to target price at 2,322. I'll link all this below. One of the highlights here is that he mentioned it is hard to see how competitors can catch up. Tesla's own capacity is its biggest constraint to share gains. It's time for top comments from previous videos. So Max asked, how do I get my shit together when Tesla swings so wildly? He has 36 shares and he's going nuts, pulling his hair, seeing Tesla moves his portfolio up and down. I replied him and I mentioned that one thing I learned over the many years is that the humanity's need for certainty. Certainty drives us nuts, and certainty drives us to do stupid shit. So it's the uncertainty that makes us grow the most. And if you look at most successful people all over the world, they are pretty much comfortable with uncertainty. So learn to be comfortable with uncertainty and you will grow massively in life. Moshe commented, who is watching this and smiling, watching Tesla go past 1007? Yes, it went past, it came back down. I foresee going past again and coming back down and go past. But it is a very awesome feeling when it hit 1007. David commented he went all in at 795, which is close to 800, and he works at a supermarket. And his investments have made him like 100,000 Aussie dollars in the last 2 months. David, people like you are a really big inspiration, and there are all sorts of people with different sorts of circumstances. I don't really care whatever situation you are in. It's your mindset that controls your destiny. So I know it can be hard, but look at it this way. We all only live once. I would rather die trying. All the pain I went through led me to this one thing. The person I am today. Though I'm still like goddamn far from perfect, I really hope you make an attempt no matter how hard life hits you. Concluding this video, how will I trade Tesla stock if I haven't reached my goals on the amount of Tesla stocks which I want to own? I need to have the mindset of knowing Tesla will eventually go beyond the current levels and can be mentally stable if Tesla stock price drop in half. If I'm able to do that, personally, I will add as many Tesla shares before Q2 2020. Tesla is a highly volatile stock, and the only way to invest in Tesla is to position yourself to ride through all the bumps, meaning investing with money you have and a mindset to go long. Appreciate those who help me with a thumbs up. Your actions really contribute so much to this channel, and as always, invest safe.